Yeah, I'm shaking.
That was intense.
It was scary.
Yeah. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Josh.
I'm Ashley.
And this is Ohio Off-Road. And we got Willie back there. He's riding with us. This is day 2 over at Ivy Branch at the Hatfield McCoy trails. So we're gonna see, we only got about half a day of riding today. So maybe like 4 or 5 hours because we gotta be home at Sunday, right? So we're gonna go play and we're just gonna go see what we can get into. Right now we are waiting for Jeff. He is currently MIA. He had to go get some gas, so we're looking for him to come down this road eventually. I think I see Jeff. He's finally showing up. Yes, Jeff. There he is. Look at that nice dent in that door. That's funny. That's a beautiful dent.
Goes all the way up.
How's getting gas?
Sucks.
Yeah. Only cost a lot of money.
I can't run in 4th gear.
Really?
Yeah, not with this.
Oh.
That pressure.
So that's the goal for today is 93. All right, let's get day 2 started. Oh, there's a spider.
I don't do spiders.
Get the spider away. Ew, I see him.
Get him.
You get him.
No, I don't touch spiders.
I can't reach all the way.
I don't do spiders. Don't do spiders.
All right, so we're just cruising along right now, and we came up on this cool little like cliff overhang. It's pretty neat, and then it has a sign up there for how like rock formations are formed and stuff like that. It's pretty cool, but I'm gonna go see the bears in the cave. Oh boy, this is sweet. Like, look at it. There's a lot of graffiti on there, which I don't know if I'm a fan of the graffiti, but it is what it is. People will always make a mess of something nice, but it's so cool. Look at that. All right, so we just got on trail 93. I think this has a big waterfall, but Ashley just came up that, and she's showing off her flex a little bit. But yep, that's it. So we're gonna move along, see if this is the right trail. If it's not, we're just turning around. Yep. Keep that back tire up there. So hang. Yep. Just hold it. Just keep holding it, just like that. Keep coming. Just like that. You gotta watch that windshield frame. Just worried about that windshield frame on that tree. But I think she's gonna clear it. You're good. That was smooth. That was so close. Keep holding it. All right, here comes Ashley. We're going to do this big giant waterfall. We'll see how it is. We saw a bunch of other people run it, but we'll see. But that's the waterfall. It is massive, way bigger than I thought it would be.
It's almost the whole 2 Ashley's tall from the bottom of the water.
Yeah, it's massive. Absolutely massive. So we're gonna see. Probably gonna put a safety strap on her, just in case.
Not probably. We are definitely putting a safety strap on. My brain is doing, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it.
You got it, man.
But I don't want to back through all that. that
Yep.
stuff I already went through. So, what are my options? Back up,
Go up it.
or go up it?
Yep. Well, Ashley's getting ready
To die.
try that thing over there. So we'll see. She's getting all harnessed up. Her helmet's on. All the safety stuff is ready. So we're gonna give this a good shot. Good. Right? Yeah, right there. Go ahead, walk it up. Yep, you're good. Let's just keep going forward a little bit more. Yeah, you're good. Hold that line just like that. Keep going, come on. No, just keep going forward a little bit. Keep going, you're doing great. Go ahead. All right, Jeff, can you get the cable? Can you get the winch? All right, you're tight. Yep, drive it. Good job, babe. Keep going a little bit more. Get off of that ledge. Okay, Jeff, help her. Good job, babe. Nice work. Willie, it's okay. She survived. She survived. It's okay. It's okay, little guy. It's okay, yeah. It's okay. I know that was scary for you. You was worried about your mama and you was crying, huh? Oh, that was close. Yep. Yeah, back it down. We're gonna do a little throttle it. We just gotta slide it like on that control arm just enough so that the back tire can hit. Hit it with your micro cores. They're into position. Just hit it. Yep. There it is. Nice work, babe. Nice work.
The waterfall was going to take me out that one.
Yeah, we're getting Jeff up now. You just stay right here. Well, you made it up the waterfall.
I did cheat with a winch.
Yeah.
But until you're in that position,
Yep.
Straight up.
Yeah, better safe than sorry. That waterfall is what, every bit of 10 foot.
Yep.
It's huge. So we just winched it and she made it up. The tires did work really well. Like they're biting like crazy when they were on that. So that's like really, it's kind of like Moab grippy, honestly. It's just.
We're not too big for our britches to put a winch line on when we need to.
Are you ready for your go for the waterfall?
No, I didn't want to go chasing waterfalls.
All right, here's Jeff's attempt at the big giant waterfall. Like, videos don't do this thing any justice at all. Straight, left, yeah, right there. Oh my gosh, that was so close! Dude, your back tires were like over it. Yep, you gotta get back over here, because that was the exact line you need to be on. Left a little bit, right there. That's it, that's the line. Hit it. Let that 116 wheelbase work. Woo! Yeah, boy! Oh my gosh! That was impressive! That was awesome! Jeez!
That was wild.
Dude, that was just nuts, man.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah. Dude, that was impressive.
That was, I got shakes.
Oh yeah. I think I'm shaking video recording it. I think I'm shaking videoing it. Well, Jeff, you just made that waterfall. You're something. I won't say the word, but you made it that.
Yeah, I'm shaking.
That was
That
intense.
It was scary.
Yeah, dude, that like I was so scared. Like once we saw like the first tires come, like the back tires come up the first bump you tried, it's like we got it. That's super impressive. This thing just works. I'm jealous.
Yeah, I can't stop shaking right now. We need alcohol or something to settle the nerves
I think
for a little
this
bit.
is our one and only trail for today.
Yep,
So,
I agree.
just keep... All right, stop 1 second. We gotta move Ashley. Okay, never mind. You're just one shot it. It's cool. So after we do that giant waterfall that Jeff was able to do, and Ashley did it, but she had just to winch. She was a little bit nervous, which is fine. It's just these little things. So the problem with these is that tree, this tree, that tree, and that next tree. And you have this big bank on the wall. So it's gonna wanna put your windshield, boom, into all of these trees, boom. So we're gonna try to avoid that. I'm not promising anything. Straight. Yep. Passenger. Passenger, right there. Yep. Once that tire clears, you gotta go back driver. Driver. Yep. Watch that windshield. Yeah, I know. Hard driver. I think it's okay. See, go drive forward hard. Yep. Just like that. Yep, just keep coming just like that, babe. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. That's called threading a needle. Keep going forward. Come on. Go passenger here. Right there. Good job. Jeez, look at that tire. It's way on the tree. You got one? All right, hold that line. It's gonna come off, and it's gonna come off kind of hard. Yep, just nice and slow with it. Good job, babe. Killing it. Straight. Straight. Yep. Killing it. Good driving. That was a fun one. That was a fun trail. Let's get Jeff through this. Right there, hold that line. Hard. Yep, hard in. Go ahead, climb up. You gotta get harder on that wall. Let's see what happens and we'll decide then. Come on forward a little bit more. It's coming up. You should be okay. Yep, hold that. Hold that. We're just worried about the windshields. Hold that right there. A little bit more. Oh. All right, straight. 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 Right there, hold that line.
Good job, Ashley.
You guys killed it. You guys are my heroes.
Why did you have to climb the tree like I did?
I don't know. Our tires just hooked and climbed the tree better. That's all it was. All right, so that is it for the video. That was Trail 93. Absolutely nuts. Ashley just had a windshield waterfall. Jeff ran it like a madman, and he made it.
Still shaking.
Yeah, he's still shaking. Still, I think we're all still shaking from that. But I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, make fun of Jeff's bald head, and all the other fun YouTube stuff. All right, I'll see you guys. Adios.